In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name in Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messenger app, then tap at these three lines. Hit Add Gear to open up Settings. On Settings, scroll down to the very bottom and then tap at See More in Account Center. Then tap at Profiles. Select your Facebook profile. Tap at Name. And then you will be taken to that screen where you can set your first name, middle name and last name. Just keep in mind that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Once you're done with that, tap at Review Changed. Then you'll need to confirm changing your name by entering your Facebook password. And after that, your name will be changed. That's how you can easily change name in Messenger and Facebook.